kalai. Ka waho mo ka wahile. Au kako ka hui ho'oli ka ohia. He ula o ke aho makamoko ka u. Malama ke kula kamehameha ke aina. Wa ai ke kula kamehameha ke ia aina ia kanaka hana pipi. Wa aina pipi na mea kanua pau. Nalaila wa kanu na kanaka hana pipi I kamau kikui. A ka mahope ana pipi ua hari ke ia mau a ho'omake I na mea ola e ai. Hana o ana ke lahela, ana ke Lauren, ana ke Emily, me 3 Mountain Lions. He greenhouse ko 3 Mountain Lions ma Volcano National Park. Ma ki greenhouse haula ko I na ano halako I ohe. Ina mai. He a ka papahana mai ka iloa na ho'olu ana I ka ohe. Ka waiwai o ka ohia. Ola nui ka ohia ma Hawaii nei, a he apana ka ohia o ka po'e a puni wai, no e la hopu ka ohia I ka ua a haawi ka aina. He home ka ohia no na mea ola o iwi, e like mai ka I iwi ka apapane a pela wale aku. A ulu oia ma ke kaupoku o ka ulula au. Ka po'e ola o ka ohia. O ka hana mua o ke ola ana o ka lehua ma ke kumu ohia, oia ka ho'ulu ana I nā hua hopu, o ki I nā hua hopu. O ka hana e lua, ho'omaka stamens e puka. O ka hana e kolu, ho ehu ia ka pua a loa ai ka inflorescence. O ka hana e ha, oia ho'omaka stamens e ha'ule mai ka inflorescence. A o ka hana e lima, oia ke ha'ule na inflorescence a na stamens a pau. Me he mea la he opu o kai kanaka I hapai. O ka no'ono'o ke ia o Anakala Liano Sugiyama a hana oia ma ke kula o hilo, ma ke kula nui o hilo. A o ka hana hope oia ke maku'o na hua makua pukana ano a ho'olulu ia ma ka aina a ulu kai kumula au ho. Ma he ai ole pe he ai ulu ai ka ohia. Ulu ka ohia ma na poaku peleho no ka mea hiki ka ohia ke haki I na poaku a loa ai ka lepo I hiki kai ulu la au hou ke ulu. Ulu ka ohia ma e walu o na umikumalua ano lepo I like me ka hestistos, ka insectistos a pele wale aku. Hiki ka ohia ke ulu ma ke kai kumula au I haule me na ano ole. Ulu ka ohia emi iho e haini ho o ka makiki, no e la lo ihi a mali e ka ulu ana o ka ohia. Hiki ka ohia ke pua I na lehua I na manawa I make, a ka ike nui I na lehua ma ka puka lau ke kauwela a me ke kauhui.
Rod. O ka rod he olelo pokole na rapid ohia des. Ke nana oku o I ka rod mai loko mai o ke kumu ohio, he po'ai ele ma waina konu o ka po'ai o kala. Ua imi na kanaka epekema, ua ho'ea mai o rod mai ke kai ipu mea konu. O ke kai mana'o, ua ho'ea mai ka rod mai ke kai ipu mea konu. O ka hana a rod, huia ka wai I hiki ole na loi ke loa ai ka wai, a oia ke kumu, loli na kala o ka lau mai ka oma o I ka makue. Hiki a oia ke ho'ane e ka rod ma ko huila ka'a, ko kama'a, ko lole, a me ko pana'o ia oia ho'omana ai ma ka ulu la'au. O ke kai mea koe nui, oma na kaloke I ka rod, a ka a'ole ia ho'omake I ka rod.
Ua ho'o kakui e kot ano papahana na oki na ano a kahana kupono ake.
O ka papahana mua o na oki kekahi a panala au o ka mea kai. O ka papahana e lua na ano. O na ano na na huali I kukuole ai o ka leku. O ka papahana e kolu oia ola. O ka hana kupono no na mea kanu oia ka waiho ana lako I ho'okahi wahi a aia lako e uro. Ua kua lako I ka ulula'au I ka eha a I ka 5 makiki aku nei a a'ole I ike ke kanaka malama wahi I nā ohia e kupu nei ma ka ekahi I ka 2 makiki aku nei. Ka ina hana o na oki. O ka hana mua pono e oki I kekahi apana la'au o ka mea kanu a komo ma loko o ka dipping girl. Ma hope o kēlā pono e komo ma loko o ka oasis I hiki nā oki ke ulu. Ka ina hana ano na ano. O ka hana mua oia ka hele ana I nā kumula'au a pau a mako I maka ai me ka hae a kala a ohi I nā ano mai ke kumu. O ka hana e kolu oia ka ho'okumu ana ma loko o ka eke ea a ma hope o kēlā pono e lawe I ka hale ho'oulu mea kanu a ho'ohui I ka ramekilai a me ka perlai a komo ma kekahi pahu ea a kanu I nā ano ke ho'i mako I ka hale ho'oulu mea kanu pono e ana I nā mea kanu I ulu ai. Ka ina hana no ola'a oia ka ana I ke kahua a me ke akea me kekahi me ke kaula a me ka transit. Ua ike mako I nā ohia I loko o nā kaula no laila ua ana mako I ke kahua a me ke akea mai ka transit. O ka hopeno ua ike mako o ka papahana mai ka iloa no ka ho'oulu hou ana I ka ohia oia ka mālama ana I ke kai wahi I hiki nā ano ke hā'ule mai ke kumu a ulu ia lākou iho. Ua manaʻo mako maʻo nā kumu ohia e ulu wale oia ke kumu o kēia ka papahana mai ka iloa. I kēia makahiki aʻe, e komo piha ana ʻoe koʻu pahala no ka mea waiwai ka ohia I ka mākou lāhui Hawaiʻi I nā ʻaʻole mākou mau e hoʻoulu hou I ka ohia hiki I ka rā ke hoʻomake I nā ohia apau ma ka mokupuni. Nā like ka mena ʻokoʻo. O nā like ma waena o nā oki a mena ano ke hoʻoni mākou nā kanaka e hoʻoulu hou I ka ohia a ua hoʻomaka mai ka ano.
Nā hoki I ʻolai. Ua ʻolana hoki nā e kahi ʻai e lua pule. Ma ka pule mua ua nani a maʻamaʻo nā hoki. Ma ka pule e lua ua ʻano makue a make. Ua make lākou no ka mea ʻaʻole kākou I haʻawi I ka wai a ʻaʻole kākou I ka makula. Hohi ana I nā no. Ua ola ka wahi ʻehā wale nō. Ua ola lākou no ka mea ʻaʻole kākou I haʻawi I ke kanaka ma ka grina a ua waiho ma lawa. Mahalo. Before we took it out, like we had this plastic bag that we covered it with, and we always put air in it. but then that didn't work. So we took out the cuttings from the bag and tried to grow them without the bag, but that didn't work either.
We left it in the sun and then we tried to water it every day, but we weren't here for spring break, so
Why do you think, what was it about Ola'a and the surrounding area where the plastic came monitoring that maybe contributed to your guys' conclusion that that would be the best place or that would be the best way to have it?
Well, we figured out that, well, after we did all our cuttings and stuff and the seeds, we figured out that the ohi'as were not onto growing by themselves. So our kumu brought it to Ola'a, and we figured out that since we were trying to force the ohi'as to grow, it didn't work. So we just we created space and let the ohia grows in it.
Is the area in Ola'a and the area at Keoho the same? Is the substrate, like, could you just let the ohia trees at Keoho do the same thing? Would they grow like how they did at Ola'a? The ohia trees at Keoho, you folks just left them and let them do their own thing?
Well, we thought it was hard because the kikuyu grass covered up everything, and out in the forest it's like pretty much kikuyu grass, and where it's not is where our ohia tree was. And when the seeds fell, it would just form kikuyu grass, and it would be a hard time for it to grow. We thought in Ola'a, like it was used to growing on lava rocks, and the substrate at Ola'a was gravel and dirt, so it would be it would be easier for the ohia to grow because it's used to that rough terrain, and it's not that used to the kikuyu grass or Keoho.
Can you guys talk a little bit about, I guess, what the effects of rapid ohia death would be in our native ecosystems and our forests?
Some effects of rot in our native forest. If the ohia were to die off, there wouldn't be very many homes for our native animals, and like the ohia grows in the canopy layer of the forest, so it collects the water and filters it for us. Also, it creates space and shelter for the smaller plants to grow in the forest. So if rot were to kill it off, it would be harder and the sun would be able to shine through and kill some of the plants.
How does your project relate back to rot?
Can you help? It connects to rot because we're trying to keep the ohi'as alive so that if rot does take over, then we still have a chance of ohia living.
You guys talked a little bit about that the fungus came in on potted plants around another potted plant. And so that's the case with a lot of our invasive species. Have you guys thought at all, or could you guys speak a little bit about maybe something that we could do to help prevent invasive species from getting to our island?
Well, if we had like a community thing, the state doesn't let us, but like if we had a community thing, we could fight against it and see what is good for our island and what is not. And if we stick as a community and stand tall, we can probably beat them and not let anything get past us. We think that only one of the 8 sprouted because when I did research on the ohia trees, there's only like a 30% chance of all the ohia tree seeds to be pollinated. So not all of them were probably pollinated, the ones we picked, but the one in one of the pots were probably pollinated and grew.
But when we went back after we said that only one of them grew, there was 2 more pots that grew.
Share that with your families? Would you share with us what you shared with your families? What did you tell them? Because they probably didn't get to see all of your presentation. So if I was like an auntie that was visiting from somewhere else and I didn't have time to sit this entire presentation, what would be the take-home message about God or even congregation that you would want me to take home? What would be the main thing? You could only tell me in maybe a few sentences. What would be the main thing you would want me to know? Think like I didn't know anything about God, or I don't know what God as well as you do, obviously. What would you want me to know that I would remember for the rest of my life?
That the ohia filters our water on Hawaii, and if Rod kills it off, then our island will kind of be a little bit ruined. But also, the dangers of rot are it'll kill out the plants and there won't be any shelter for the plants, the little ones. And if and that rot kills from the inside, so we don't really know how to stop it yet.
Ohia is also a shelter for birds. So if the ohia dies, then our native animals will not have a shelter. Something else we all need to know about rod is how it can move, and we don't want it like to move around and kill all the way across the island. So what we can do is we can spray our shoes with with 70 to 90% alcohol and scrub it so that we get all the dirt off and rod, there's like a less chance of rod getting to all the other wheels.
Also, since though he grows after lava flows, it if there was no he the rocks would still be there because well most of the rocks because though he is the main thing that breaks down the rocks and creates dirt.
What was the purpose of doing the measurements? Yes.
The reason we measured it is because we wanted to find out how far away from the tree the seeds will spread without wind or like with wind, and also how much the seeds grew in within a span of 1.5 years to 2 years.
So as you folks revisited the site, did you go back to that same tree and measure the height again?
No. We would go up there and then measure some plants and then we would go back and measure them.
Any more questions? Mahalo.